What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best electric toothbrushes in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Starting our list of reviews, with the Fullen Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 Rechargeable Toothbrush, best for gum care. Protecting the gums is key when brushing your teeth. The Fullen Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 Rechargeable Toothbrush comes with a brush head that the brand says is created to take care of the gums without irritating them as you brush. Our tester found the bristles on the firm side and the vibrations to be pretty intense, so you don't feel the need to apply any pressure, which is a nice gum-saving feature. Our tester also noted that the device left her teeth feeling clean without any lingering food or other debris in the mouth. It feels like you're getting a full, deep clean without using any pressure when brushing. Other features included with the device are 3 different cleaning modes and a sensor that will notify you when you need to replace your brush head. However, the device does not include a travel case, which can make it more difficult to transport when on the go. Despite that, our tester thought it was very light and had a small charger that would make it easy to transport. Up next, we have the OralB Pro 1000 Electric Toothbrush, best electric toothbrush for deep cleaning in 2022. Another no-frills electric toothbrush that will provide the user with a reliable clean is the OralB 1000 Cross-Action Electric Toothbrush. Upon receiving the device, the toothbrush is ready to go after unboxing. All it takes is snapping on the single brush head provided in the package and then switching on the device with the click of a button. The device then uses just one mode and will inform you once your 2 minutes are up for brushing. The OralB 1000 has a sensor built into the brush that will inform you when you are pressing too hard on the teeth. I think this is a great basic toothbrush and would be good for kids. It's easy to use out of the box and very simple to operate because it is just one setting. Although the device is more affordable compared to others on the market, it is important to note that it lacks some additional features that people might want in a device. For instance, the device doesn't come with a travel case, additional brush heads, or brush head covers. This makes the product less valuable for what you are spending. Also worth noting, it cannot switch intensities. I do think the pressure is a bit on the firmer side, so if you are someone who chronically brushes too hard, this is not the brush for you. Moving on to the next, the Fullen Sonicare 4100 Electric Toothbrush, best value electric toothbrush in 2022. The Fullen Sonicare ProtectiveClean 4100 device is a no-frills electric toothbrush that cleans teeth well at an affordable price. Although the device had no unique cleaning modes or intensity options for the user, our tester still received a thorough clean when using the device. I felt like it was effectively cleaning my teeth and left them feeling shiny and free of gunk. This brush is a great value because it will not break the bank compared to other electric toothbrushes on the market, but it does come with some of the standout features of more expensive models. While it might lack some of the flashiest touches, the device gives users the cleaning benefits of using an electric toothbrush with a few extra bells and whistles like timed brushing, pressure sensors, and a replacement reminder for the brush head. The device does not come equipped with a travel case or caps for the toothbrush head. This makes it slightly less portable compared to other devices on the market. But a travel case could be purchased for an additional fee if that is an important addition for someone. Next in our list of reviews, is the Fullen Sonic Electric Toothbrush, best budget electric toothbrush in 2022. An electric toothbrush does not need to be expensive to get the job done. The Fullen Sonic Electric Toothbrush earned top marks for being a budget-friendly toothbrush by our very well testers because of its affordability and quality. I felt like it was an effective toothbrush. It cleaned my teeth and got the sticky food out in a single 2-minute brushing session. The device is also easy to set up and use. It comes with 8 brush heads, a travel case, and a USB charger. Then all it takes is snapping on one of those heads after charging the brush, and you can select between the different brush features with the touch of the button. While brushing, the device will notify you once 30 seconds have passed and it's time to move on to the next section of the mouth. One downside of this budget-friendly device is that there is no way to alter the intensity of the vibrations. Our tester found the intensity to be harsher on the front teeth. So if you have sensitive teeth, that is something to consider before selecting this product. Finally, we have the OralB Genius 9600 Electric Toothbrush as the best overall electric toothbrush in 2022. The OralB Genius 9600 Electric Toothbrush received no less than 4 stars in our top attributes when looking for a toothbrush, making it the best overall in products tested by Verywell Health staff. First of all, our tester noted that the overall quality deserved top marks because of the shape of the brush heads and the 5 different brush features. This left her teeth feeling squeaky clean and free of any plaque or debris. Additionally, our tester found the toothbrush made it so that hard-to-reach places are not missed. Switching between the 6 different brush features, including regular, light brushing, whitening, and tongue, is made simple by just pressing down the button of the brush until the chosen mode lights up. The electric toothbrush comes with a traveling case, making it seamless for travel or brushing on the go. Also included with the device is a suction cup holder to attach to a countertop or sink. Our tester found this to be a useful addition that worked great in the bathroom to keep the toothbrush from moving around. One of the few critiques our tester had with the product is that it took some time to figure out exactly how to use the toothbrush the very first time. But after that initial use, the tester found the toothbrush to be relatively straightforward. Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.